Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this PySpark video series we will learn how to use graph functions. Okay, so it's a very much simple function. If you already learned the filter function, you will get understand. We are understanding function also. It will be very much simple for you guys if you ever know the filter function. It's almost same with filter function. For filtering the data, basically it is easy. Okay. If you know SQL, how to use it in SQL, the function, then you guys know that who knows the SQL. Okay. So it's almost same. Okay. Uh, so if you don't know the filter function, please go and watch the filter function video from my past playlist in my channel. My channel is Property Coded. Please go and watch it from my past playlist, and it is also given in the video description also. So coming to our today's topic. Okay. So I've already created one data frame here. You can see filter function. If I will filter the data, so how the data will get, you can see I'm filtering the data using ID. So how filter function works and all, I already told that I have already seen in my previous videos. Please go and watch first. So all the videos are in sequence. Please go and watch. Then we will get the full clarification. Okay? And here we can use the filter function like this also. Okay. So both the type of codes, both the different types of codes we can use it in filter function also. We can call the column name with data frame object, and also we can use this kind of syntax also. Okay. But here how to use the graph. So you can just replace the filter here with graph. Okay. It will work like this. Yeah. You can see you want to replace it here also, then also you can see it. And not only like this, if you have multiple conditions, multiple filter conditions, then also you can watch the backlog. Showing you in a minute. I'm showing you. You can also give your second condition. Or suppose I want to search with the name name would be Raj, and I have two students in group. I'll also filter the data with roll number. I'll filter the data with roll number is 12. Okay. So for that, I just need to write the second condition using and as we used to do the earlier for the earlier filter function also, and also whoever knows SQL, they also know how to read. Okay. So just give the roll number equals to, or if you want to filter this route, who is the city is Mumbai, you can also do that. For that, previously I have already filtered this 12 roll number Raj. Now I'm filtering the 56 roll number Raj. So what is the issue? with shape. There is a data type is 1 minute. In that way, there is some kind of data type issue. So you can also write query multiple filter using this method also. Uh, Calling the column name कॉल करके डेटा फ्रेम ऑब्जेक्ट को जुड़ा and उसके बाद रोल नंबर रोल कॉलम में कॉल करके डेटा फ्रेम और उसके बाद whatever roll number you want to search, just give it. Okay, we'll get it. So in this way we can get filter our data also. So it's a very simple function. So just to practice, will get the more clarification. And okay. So I think you have seen my earlier video with filter function. So if you have seen the filter function video, then it will be very much easy for you to understand. Okay. I think you have learned, you have liked this video. Okay, if you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. Okay, and also please go and watch earlier videos on YouTube. It will be very much helpful for you guys who are learning the Spark. As a beginner who is learning Spark, it is a very much important video for them. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.